Hi everyone, welcome. I forgot to record the meeting this morning, so I'm here to record it again. This is what we discussed in our Science Honor Society meeting this morning. So first things first, talking about some of the things we did in January this year. We inducted 15 new members into the spring semester. In just a second, we will induct them officially. But we also discussed the importance of fish conservation at Irwin Fish Hatchery with our guest speaker, Mr. Hearn. We learned all about marine conservation and wildlife and what it means to work for the federal government in the fish hatchery division. We also set ourselves up for Literacy Week. You can see our green person over here. So if you're on the first floor, you should check out the chapter of Science National Honor Society. And speaking of literacy, we thought we'd promote a couple of science nonfiction reads that you might want to check out. One of them is called Stiff. It's a nonfiction book about cadavers and what we use cadavers for. I've read it and it's really good, very hilarious, and very enlightening. The Packing for Mars is a book about, like, if we were to actually move our society to Mars, what that would look like. Death's Acre is about the forming of the body farm, which is used in forensic science to determine time of death. If you've had Miss D'Onofrio, you've probably read or heard of Radium Girls. That was the book of the year last year. The Hot Zone is about the Ebola outbreak, which is a true story. And so it's quite interesting to read about. The Poisoner's Handbook is about the birth of forensic toxicology in New York. And Lab Girl is an autobiography about a woman who is a research scientist and sort of the trials and tribulations she faces as a research scientist. Like I said, we have some new members, so please welcome our 15 new members: Larry, Zach, Lorelei, Jack, Paxton, Tag, Natalie, Thomas, Kristen, Riley, Connor, Courtney, Devin, Emma, and Alex. So please welcome. We have our community service opportunities available to you still. So remember, you need to volunteer hours for the club, doing club volunteer opportunities. So one of the opportunities you could take advantage of is recycling, which happens every Wednesday and Friday after school. And today being Wednesday would be a great day for you to just stop on by my Miss Addie's room right after school, and we'll show you what we do to recycle. If you're interested in tutoring science here, students here at Venice High School, just scan that QR code, and if a student needs science tutoring, we will try to pair them with you. We have a real fun activity this month, seeing as how it's Valentine's Day coming up soon. We would like to invite you to come make some crystal hearts with us next Tuesday the 9th. And it'll be after school in Miss Addie's room once again, and it's free for all you members. And then if you want to bring a friend who's a non-member, it's only $1. You'll also need to bring an empty glass jar with you. And then it takes about 3 or 4 days for the crystals to actually form. So that's why we're doing it early next week. And you can come pick it up on Friday to then take it home and give it to someone on Valentine's Day. We have a new course this year at Venice High School. You'll be able to sign up for next year. It's forensic science. So think of that show CSI or NCIS, and we're going to kind of learn like the basics of what they do. So, you know, fingerprints, blood splatter, DNA analysis, trace evidence, fiber analysis, ballistics, counterfeiting, all those sorts of things. And you'll learn how to gather clues and analyze the data, and you'll be working in a team environment because as a forensic scientist, everything you do is team-based. So you'll be doing lots of collaboration, lots of labs, lots of investigation, and the only prerequisites you need is biology and algebra. So yeah, sign up for it if you're interested. It does count as a science credit. So if you're looking for that third science credit, it could be something fun that encompasses both chemistry, biology, physics, geology, everything. So it could be a lot of fun. So thank you for your attendance, and our next meeting is going to be March 3rd, once again at 7:05 in the morning and in Miss Addie's room, and there's a Zoom link. Once again, the passcode is science. So thanks for tuning in.